find my old Gramlights that was up for sale. He's got back in touch with me, so we're off to pick him up. I've managed to drag Marcus with me for a little road trip.
Right.
The Gramlights was on my car, and then I sold them for the split rims. So I've decided to buy them back, and I'm going to sell my works now. I'm heading down to Leicester. Nice hour or so drive. Nice and steady.
Northamptonshire.
Yeah. So there's no drift days actually open. We'll get you ready. What I'll do, depending how comfortable the lad is when I get there, I'll either record when we get there or record once I put the wheels in the car. But he's got a Mazda RX-7 FD in red or dead. Unfortunately the wheels are a bit too low of an offset for him. He's now bought some Ray's GTXs, I think they're called. I'm not sure if he's put them on the car yet, but if he has, we'll have a look. And we'll see ya when we get there. Imbi.
Give us the fucking money.
That's it. We're going back, boys. Big dog. Good news, lads. We got them back. The Gramlights are back in town. Nice little deal we will. Managed to get them back. Still in mint condition. Gonna get cussed to ceramic coat them. Don't we, mate? So they're still looking nice and fresh in 4 months' time.
2 years.
2 years. 2 years protection. Sounds like bullshit, yes, mate. Wheels they stay clean for 2 years.
What we'll do, give them a deep clean, iron out, get all the crap off them, and then maybe give them like a lot of machine polish back, just to get like the imperfections and stuff off them.
Imperfections in Gramlights? Nah,
Just
mate.
the old brake dust and whatnot, and then seal them.
Back to 100.
What, honey?
There's no road signs here. Look, there's no warning junction. We're in a nice little village in the middle of by Rockingham. That's all I got for you. The English countryside where we have tea and biscuits with the Queen for all you American fuckers. On this beautiful, beautiful English weather. sport. Nice sensible drive. Weather has turned terrible. And we'll probably tune in back with you at the unit. But if I don't, I'm going to say my goodbyes now, and I'll see you soon. What are you saying?
We'll see you soon from Gaz's garage.
Fucking terrible name. Welcome to Gaddy's Garage. Yeah.
Hey, all you cats and kittens.
Morning. So today's another day, as you can tell. It's actually nice and sunny today. So let's have a look at the wheels. These are my raised Gramlights. 18 by 9.5. ET12. Square setup. And we're running some Federal RSRs all the way around. That's a little bit too much grip for me to drift on. Little SR power, standard. Don't want to break anything. But I'm going to actually try these tyres on the car, see what they look like overall. I've only ever run ADO 8Rs, so I'd like to compare the difference on the front with the grip poise. Might be worth something looking into with the Federals. So I'm going to take these outside and give them a nice little clean and see how fresh they look. It's not quite seen us. Makes no sense. But yeah, Grant's...
It's mint now. Look at the carpets. Ignore the dash falling apart.
So Grant's put his new turbo on, but then he's broke his boost controller. So he's had to go to this one. He could have done a nice turbo by Midland was it Midland? Midland Turbos rebuilt his turbo for him because his last one was leaking oil everywhere. And he's also been polishing his wheels. They've come up nice and shiny. The car's lovely as low as usual. But yeah, that's it for today. I've got my wheels on the car. I've already said this twice, but what you don't know is I never had the mic in. So I was talking to you when none of you could hear anything.
Make sure your head's doing right, mate.
So it's 6 o'clock in the evening, and I decided I want to paint the sides. Motherfucker. So I decided I want to paint my skirt. I'm sick of looking at it. I put it on my car and it just looks shit. So I'm going to paint it. I've managed to scrape up my last little bit of paint. Like that's it. Once that's gone, it's gone. So I'm going to mix that up now. Put some activator on Instagram. He's a cunt, are you? But yeah, so I'm going to knock a mix up and then I'm going to shoot some paint. He was all happy with himself. But yeah, I'm going to mix it. Nice 2-to-1 activator, 2K. None of that clear coat mess. But yeah, I'll be back with you in a minute. So as Grant says, first of all, kids, what you got to do? So I've mixed the paint up. I'm praying to God that's enough to the skirt. So I've got to stop saying so, but I'll edit that out anyway. Protection.
Hey, Miana, Connor. Is that all you got, mate? I'll do it.
That's all we got. So if you want to know the colour code, I'm telling you. You can just look on the tin.
Hey, Gab.
Hey, welcome to Gary's Garage!
This time, he's got a bit of paint left, and the ends of my skirt. Obviously, this bumper was faced the other way down to paint it, so these little bits got missed, and I've just scraped the fire off and the rubber. And I used, what did I use? 1 grit to prep it.
Nice.
1 grit.
Yeah.
So he's just going to paint over the rubber and the fire with what he's got left. That will do. Sick mush, laddies.
Fucking red, are you?
That's all, folks.